Today I'll be dealing with a specific issue of pre-placement preparation. I have been asked this question a number of times by the students that if they have a placement drive in the next couple of days, how they should prepare for it and what things they should keep in mind before preparing for the placement drive. So in this particular video I will be talking about that issue, and I'll be giving some of the ideas, some of the tips related to that, and I hope that it will be beneficial to the viewers. So the first thing which needs to be taken care of before attending a placement drive is the resume. Resume, as you know, that it is a formal document and it should include all the details related to the background of a student, related to the academic qualification of the student, related to the hobbies, related to the interpersonal skills, related to the you can say the extracurricular or co-curricular activities in which the student has participated, any achievements which the student has done. So all those things should be mentioned in the resume. And one thing which should be kept in mind is the resume should be simple and concise, and it should reflect you can say the summary like profile of the student, and that is the foremost and the most important thing before attending a placement drive, is to have a professional resume, is to have a good resume for that. The second thing after making the resume, which the students needs to take care of, is that it has to be related to, you can say, the documentation part. And this documentation part will include the, you can say, taking care of all the certificates which the student has, and you can say even the resume also. Those all things, whether it is certificate or the resume, they should be kept in a folder in this documentation phase, and so that everything should be planned well in advance. After this documentation, the students need to take care of the you can say the dressing part, that is the formal dressing part. And whenever the students attend a placement drive or they go for certain, you can say, campus placements or joint campus placements, so they have to present themselves well. So that thing we need to take care in this aspect, and the students need to formally dress themselves so that they should give a good impression to the employer. So for that, the formal dress or the institution uniform you can say could be very much suitable for this, and the student need to wear this that particular dress on the day of the placement drive. After this, talking about the dressing part, the students need to, you can say, search for the company. This is very important phase, and whenever we have a placement drive or a campus placement or a joint campus placement, there might be some company which is visiting the campus. So the student needs to take care of that issue, and the student needs to surf the website, go to the website of that company and search some relevant information related to that, maybe the about the directors of the company, maybe about the CEOs of that company, whoever is running that company. The student need to take care about that issue as well. So they should know about the products, the services of that company prior to, you can say, attending the campus placement related to that company. So this is again a very important part which the student should not miss. After this this phase of, you can say, getting some information about the company, the student should look towards themselves and prepare well in terms of the technical skills which will be tested during the placement drive, during the campus placement. These technical skills may be you can say the aptitude test which may be asked to the student, which may be given to the student during the placement, or it may be some domain related knowledge which may be tested during the placement drive, some subject related knowledge. So students should prepare well for that, and they should practice some aptitude tests well in advance. Along with that, they should also, you can say, brush up their technical knowledge, their subject related knowledge related to their domain, whether it is an engineering related campus placement, so they should go for the engineering related subjects. They should study them, they should understand the basics of that. Whether it is a campus placement related to MBA, so it has to be related to the functional domains of MBA, maybe marketing, maybe HR, maybe finance, maybe human resource management or production management, we can say. So the student needs to take care of all these issues related to the technical skills. And after working on these technical skills, you can say the student should also think about the other part, that is the confidence. So this is mostly, you can say, tested while you are in a campus placement. So you have to, you can say, work on your communication skills, and for that you need to do prior practice. The communication skills or good communication skills do not come in one day. So you have to do a lot of practice related to that. And the students, what they should do is they should try to practice the introduction, which will be asked in almost all the interviews or all the placement drives. That is what they should tell about themselves to others, and they should find out the things which needs to be told to the employer about themselves in the introduction part. So this is important. So introduction is very, very important, and this is again my advice, that the students may, you can say, prepare the introduction, and they may give that introduction to their family members, right? And they should practice that, so that they should have a you can say, the real feeling of the placement drive well in advance, and they should try to test themselves in that particular situation by giving a good introduction. And apart from it, I have always said this thing to my students, that whenever you have a, you can say, a campus placement, or you have a challenging thing coming in front of you, you should always look for certain good things. You should always remember certain good things in the past which you have done, and maybe the student should think about some achievements which they have done in the past before going for the placement drive. This will increase their morale, this will increase their confidence before attending the placement drive, and they should go in, you can say, high confidence and with all the positive things in their mind, so that they should give their best performance. These are certain tips, certain ideas which I wanted to share. I hope that this may benefit certain students, and if it will do so, I will be very happy about that. And in case if somebody has certain questions related to placement drive or specific issues which I have discussed in this video, you may post your questions in the comments below. I'll try to answer those questions, and that will give me more, you can say, happiness by helping you. So that's all for today's video, and I hope that this will benefit the viewers. That's all from my side. Good luck and good day to all of you.